Kai, say cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese? I'm taking a photo of you right now.
I'm taking my stickers away.
You're taking your stickers away. What you doing with the sticker, baby?
Okay, sticker.
You throwing it down on the ground.
Let's go. Oh.
Kai, what are you doing with those stickers?
I'm trying to get my collection.
You trying to make a what?
I'm getting collection.
Mm-hmm. Don't fall, baby. Kai, what you looking at, baby? Leave the phone alone. You turn off the light?
Okay.
Press hard. One more time.
Okay.
There you go. Yay.
I can turn it right there.
Yeah, you gotta turn the light right there.
It's too higher.
Yeah. No, don't turn it back on. You gotta go to bed, ain't you?
It's still on Grandma.
You stay with Grandma. No, you staying with Daddy. Huh?
I'm gonna go.
Getting tired, ain't you, baby? Daddy got you on film. Yeah, tickle, tickle, tickle.
Go. Okay, cheese.
You say cheese.
No.
Yeah, you say cheese.
I say cheese.
What? Cup? You got water in there. Right? You drink all the water?
No, he says cheese.
Trying to take the camera.
Let me see.
See what? See you?
No.
Yeah, I'm looking at you. Yeah. Okay, don't get mad. Gotta get calm. How you stay calm, baby? What are you learning, Kayana? Kylan. Huh? Hi, Kai? Get off the table. No, don't do that. Kai, don't do that. Pick it up.
No.
They still got you on tape. I'm going to take this to Meemaw and show it to her. You want Meemaw to get mad at you? Huh?